Today is June 21st, and to all the fathers out there, I'd like to wish them a happy Father's Day. Thought we'd take the Road King out for a ride. It's a beautiful day in the lower 80s. The sun is behind some clouds right now. It peeks out from time to time, so it's not too hot. Let's get started. Got to wait for the fuel pressure to come up. There we go. Turned on the auxiliary lights, so we have 3 lights up front on, with the hopes that motorists will see us. Well, looks like I'll need to get gas while I'm out. Well, we're down into the red zone. I don't think you can see that on the camera. Let's get started. I'll come back when we're on the road. Okay, we're out on the road. It actually feels pretty good while we're moving. Now today I'm using my GoPro Hero 6, and I have a remote made by GoPro that's made for the GoPro Hero 4 or 5. Maybe it's 3, 4, and 5. When I first bought the remote, it worked with my camera. They were discontinuing them at Target. I think they were half price, but I brought it home and I thought, well, with the return policy at Target, if it doesn't work, I can take it back, and it worked. And that went along pretty good for, about a month. And then I got a software upgrade pushed down to me through the phone app for GoPro. When I synced up my phone with it, it upgraded the phone, and then the remote wouldn't work properly anymore. The remote would lock out. And yesterday, I thought, what if I roll back the software update? And I was able to find a reset to factory defaults option in the settings menu, and it's working again, guys. Boy, this new pavement that they put down is really nice. I know it's a big inconvenience when there's road construction, but after it's done, wow, it is great. Today I thought we would ride out to Penny Road and go up. Oh, actually, yeah, it would be up. We're going to go north into Barrington by turning off on Bateman Road, and there'll be some horse farms and there's at least 3 or 4 nice turns through there. Right now on our right hand side, we're going by Gilbert's Farms, where we like to shop for fresh vegetables and produce. The sign says fresh produce will be in June 25th. Approaching the intersection of Route 72 and Illinois Route 59. And we'll make a right turn. I'm hoping there's no road construction on 59. And we'll take that up to Penny Road, make a left. Signaling, hand signal, and turn signal. It's part of the protocol we use in the riding group that I'm in. A little redundancy there. If people in cars don't see your turn signal, maybe they'll see your hand signal, get their attention. There we go. Yeah, another motorcycle. Yeah, there's quite a few out today. Hi guys. Speed up to 55. This bike was designed to be in 6th gear. RPMs dropped to around 2650. No vibration, smooth, plenty of power if you need to roll on. Or want to roll on, rather. I think we'll get away from some of this traffic by making a left up here on Penny Road. There's 4th gear. There's another motorcycle. And the wave. Waves back. Very nice. These railroad tracks at times have been rough. I don't come down here all the time, so we'll be real careful. I think we're going to stand up. There we are. Not bad at all. Now, up on our left is the Penny Road Pub, the corner of Sutton Road and I believe it'd be Old Sutton Road and Penny Road. We'll slow down and take a peek and see what's going on. Outdoor dining is open. There's a couple people there, maybe 8. And away we go. And we'll make a right on Healy Road. Leave. And I think this should be Bateman Road coming up. Yep, that's where we're turning right. Take that north. This is a real slow turn. Get down into 1st gear. There we are. It's very pretty in here. Nice homes. Wow, look at that yard. Man, that would be fantastic. Although I would need a riding lawnmower. Keep the grass cut. But, you have to get way up here so we can see for sure. Alright. Another one of those big homes. The guy that pulled out of the driveway was driving a Mercedes. I guess you don't really need a riding lawnmower if you can afford to live in this home. You could probably afford to have a lawn cutting service to carry your yard. That's fenced. The yard was fenced in like they had horses. Gear. Drop into third gear. Construction signs, but it's for Rolling Hills Drive, I believe. It looks like they just finished that. Hey, if anybody ever rides through here, please be careful. Watch for gravel in the turns. If you're going to come through here and go a little bit fast, I would recommend riding the road first, both directions, to be sure the turns don't have gravel. I just enjoy riding through here. It's with the canopy, trees growing over the road, sunlight filtering in. It's really pretty. Coming up on Algonquin Road. We're going to cross over and continue north. Speed limit on Algonquin Road is 55, so we've got to be really careful when we cross and make sure no cars are coming, because they will approach very fast. Looks good on the right, but I can't see on the left. Oh. I can see more cars coming. Thank goodness that guy had his lights on. Right. There's a car on the right. More cars on the left. I am going to pull up even farther. There are some traffic signals on Algonquin that should stop the traffic in both directions. There should be a gap coming up. Not yet, though. Here we are. Looking good. We're gone. I'm going to go slow here because there's a horse farm. And there may be some photo opportunities here if there's horses out. Sure is pretty. Uh-oh. Fence is down for access to the yard. I guess for grass cutting or maintenance. There's some horses. It's around 20 minutes after 2 in the afternoon here on Father's Day, June 21st. This is a nice turn. trail there. We're going to take it close to the center line. There we are. I always want to get on it here, but I have to resist. There's a driveway up here on the left. You have to watch out for it. Right here. There's a park here on the right, but all you can do is pull over and look. Spring Lake Nature Preserve. Good, let's go.